Today we're going to make an 8-page book using origami out of one sheet of paper. This is all you need: a pair of scissors and a piece of rectangular paper. Watch how easy this is. You're going to fold your paper in half like a card. Always fold by matching your edges and pressing very hard on your fold line. Open it up. Now we're going to make a plus fold. Folding it the other way. Remember to match your edges and press on the fold. Do you see the fold line that's in the middle? That's going to be used to do our next fold, called the closet door fold. Watch this. You're going to take this edge of your paper and fold it to that middle fold. See where it is? And press it down. We just created the first door. See how it opens up? Now we're going to take the other edge, fold it to match the doors, and now you have a closet door. See how it got its name? Closet door fold. Now, once you have the closet door, you're going to fold it back into a card. So closet door to card. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. Here's my fold, and there's a fold line right here and a plus. Here's the fold. You're going to start cutting on the fold, and you're going to stop right in the middle of your plus fold. Make sure you stay on your fold line. Okay. Open it up. Now you have a small cut in the middle of your paper. Do you see that? You're going to fold it into what my students call a hot dog fold. Now, do you see the top? Look what's happening. You're going to push this together. You can even use the table to help you. You're going to push these together. Do you see that cool shape it makes, like a diamond or a square? Push it together and press it down. You want to push on those fold lines. Close the book, and there you have it, an 8-page book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.